Is your WhatsApp not working on iPhone after the latest update on iPhone? If you're experiencing issues with WhatsApp on your iPhone after an update, try out a few steps that you can try to resolve the problem. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Update your WhatsApp. Open the App Store, tap Search, find out WhatsApp, find out the app and check the update. Always try to update the app to solve software-related issues. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out the WhatsApp, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall the app. Solution 3. Reinstall WhatsApp. If the problem persists, you can try deleting and reinstalling WhatsApp on your iPhone. But before that, make sure to get a backup on your WhatsApp data. Press and hold the WhatsApp icon on your home screen until it starts shaking. Then tap the X button on the app icon to delete it. Go to App Store, search for WhatsApp and reinstall it. I hope these steps help you resolve the problem with WhatsApp on your iPhone. Now, if you still have any issues with your iPhone, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.